In this video, we will learn 3 instant content ideas for your YouTube channel without having to show your face. And with this formula, you can literally create unlimited content. Before I tell you about the content ideas, let me tell you a story that just happened to me. I watched a 10-minute video about a horrible Russian experiment. It's called The Ugly Secret Behind a Russian Sleep Experiment. And I watched the whole 10-minute video. It was quite nice, interesting, and there was no face on it, no talking head, no one presented the video, just some clips, cartoons, references, that's all. And they hooked me up throughout the video until the end of the video just to find out the secret. And the secret was the whole experiment thing was a fake story that never took place. So basically, I watched the entire video and wasted 10 minutes of my life listening to a fake story. At first, I was angry at myself. Why did I even fall for it? But that thought made me interested even more. I wanted to dig deeper and try to find out what actually happened in this Russian experiment and what made me watch the video. Now, you're probably thinking, why are you listening to this story? You are here to learn about content ideas and 3 secrets. Yes, that's what you're going to learn in this video. Just continue watching this video and I will tell you in details, and I'm going to show you how you can have unlimited content ideas with just 3 keywords. But this story is important because it's relevant. So back to the story. This is the video where I saw the ugly secret behind the Russian sleep experiment. Here is what happened. In 2019, a movie named The Soviet Sleep Experiment was released. You know, the topic is quite interesting because when it comes to Soviet Union or Russia, Western people immediately think of their conspiracies and questionable practices. So the topic was definitely interesting without any doubt. Then when I searched YouTube with the keyword Russian sleep experiment, I found that there are thousands of searches per month and the keyword is very competitive. Well, where did I get all this data? I used a software, cloud-based software called TubeBuddy to get all this data. I'll leave a link in the description. You can check it out for yourself. Also, you can use the software for free. It has a trial. Anyways, back to the story. I found so many videos talking about the Russian sleep experiment, so it's definitely a hot keyword to create videos or content about. I know this might not be your topic, but what I'm trying to do is to give you a walkthrough on how you can use 3 secret keywords for any topic and create your content. By the way, do you like this video? Please consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. This way you get notified every time we upload a new video. Let's back to the topic. The channel Fact File loved the idea of this Russian sleep experiment keyword and they created a video on this topic, and you can see that they have had 25,000 views in this last 8 or 9 months. 25,000 views is not bad at all, especially when the end of the story says it's a fake news. Even Wikipedia confirms that the Russian sleep experiment is creepypastas. Creepypastas are horror legends that have been copied and pasted on the internet. Creepypasta has become a catch-all term for all horror content posted on the internet. These internet posts are often short paranormal stories created by the users to scare the reader. Now I will tell you the 3 magic keywords that you can use to turn any true or false story into a super awesome content for your YouTube channel. Take any keyword that beats the Russian sleep experiment and add secrets of, or secrets about, or facts about, or truths about before any lucrative, high demand and searched keyword, and boom, just by adding these 3 keywords you can generate great content for your YouTube channel. But that's not it. You have to follow some steps I'm going to tell you now. Step number 1, find keywords that have a large number of search queries but low competition. In this case, you can see the competition is high, so it may not be easy to rank for this keyword. But if you rank well for this keyword, you will get a lot of visitors. So again, try to find a key phrase or a keyword that has low competition and high search value. Then click on the search bar for the keyword. Then type the keyword on the search bar and hit space. YouTube will give you more ideas about other related keywords and try those. Let's say Russian sleep experiment trailer. Well, this exact keyword is not searched much, but the competition looks very good. So try another one, adding an A after the keyword or a B after the keyword or C after the keyword. Try up to Z and try anything that comes to your mind. Better go in alphabetical order. This way you will have a discipline and you will save time. And try to find a good keyword that is searched a lot but has a little competition. And yes, it looks like I've found one that is Russian sleep experiment movie. And look at the numbers. It is searched 33,000 times a month, but the competition is excellent. That means it's easy to rank for it. Now I'm going to add facts about or secret about or truth about to get a great content idea. So you see, it's not about the movie on the Russian sleep experiment. It's about the truths behind the movie or the facts behind the movie, the secrets behind the movie, which are three completely different pieces of content. So just by adding secrets, facts, and truths, you can have three different contents for one single topic. Do more research on other creators' content and their keywords. Use TubeBuddy to find more unique and lucrative content. Once you are done with that, take your title and use the headline analyzer tool to analyze the quality of your title. This tool will help you write better and more lucrative headlines. That's it. With these three keywords, TubeBuddy and title analyzer tool, you can create great high quality content, then inform and entertain your viewers with your storytelling skills. When viewers love your content, they will follow you, subscribe to your channels, and eventually buy from you whenever you ask them to buy. Like this video and subscribe for more ideas. Did you like this video? We put a lot of effort on it to inspire us make more videos like this. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and make sure you switch on the notification bell button. This way you get notified every time we upload a new video, and I will see you in the next video.